Um, I'm so. First of all, I don't really do Instagram. I don't really do Instagram. But this is the Isley Brothers featuring Ronald Isley's new jam, Friends and Family. And first of all, it's a damn good jam. This don't remind you of nobody though. Wait, no. Y'all hear that in the background? That whoa. That don't remind y'all. Y'all gonna see this in y'all stream. Y'all go check the video out. Like, for real, for real. Like, shout out to Ronald Isley, the magnificent Isley Brothers. I'm with everybody else. Steve Harvey didn't need to be in the verses. Don't know why he was there. Steve, we don't need you. I know who the Isley Brothers are, bro. I know who in there. I don't need that. Snoop Dog, shout out to him. But y'all go check the video out. I'm not gonna play the whole thing, but y'all not finna tell me. I'm just gonna say, that don't, okay, never mind. I don't want to do this part. I ain't saying, I'm just saying, nope. I don't care who getting credit for this. I don't care who name is on this. All I'm saying is, I ain't saying, I'm just saying that right there. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm buying the song, I'm downloading the song and everything. I'm hoping it's on Amazon, get that changed and everything like that. But no, I'm not falling for that one. Hell no. I ain't saying, I'm just saying. Peace. What you want to do?